This is my blood donor card, and I actually just pulled this out this weekend. I haven't donated blood in probably 3 or 4 years since the last time that I donated blood. And what got me thinking about this was the tragedy in Vegas, and how I observed that in the face of a lot of tragic circumstances, there were a lot of people who rose to the occasion, and they were giving blood to help the wounded people. And it got me thinking about, what are the health implications of people who give blood? We obviously know that people who receive blood, it can save their lives. But how does it affect people who give blood? And as I started to do some reading and some research about this, what I found out really surprised me. And there is a lot of research on the health benefits that are associated with giving blood. And principally, when you give blood, typically what you're doing is you're lowering the iron levels in your body, because iron actually, 70% of the iron stores in your body are found in your red blood cells. And when you give blood, your iron levels come down. And I found out that many people are actually, instead of being iron deficient, which some people are, most people carry too much iron in their bodies. And what the research shows is that if you have too much iron in your body, it increases your risk of cancer, heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, neurodegenerative disorders like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, osteoporosis. There's a lot of things that are linked to having too much iron in your body. So the blood test that you want to get done to find out if you've got too little or too much iron is called serum ferritin. And when you get your blood drawn, that's something that you may want to ask your doctor to check to make sure that your serum ferritin levels are somewhere between 20 and 80 nanograms per milliliter. And if they are over 80, then I would recommend that that perhaps you get in the habit of donating blood to bring your iron levels down. So this week's article of the week is on that very topic. It's on how elevated iron levels can be bad for your health, and how giving blood is something that you can do to bring your iron levels down. And there was actually a research study done that found that people who give blood regularly have a 37% chance, 37% decreased chance of all cancers. And I've actually attached the link to that study in our article of the week for you to look at. So take a look at that. I want you to think about donating blood if you've never done that before. If you're a little squeamish about donating blood, then please read our article of the week, because it'll give you some other suggestions of things that you can do that will bring your iron levels down if they're too high. Hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving weekend. Have a great week. Bye for now.